Ezekiel and Hannah did not fall in love the way movies describe. There was no lightning, no obsession, no loss of self. What drew them together was recognition, the kind that happens when two people are already walking straight. Both were disciplined before desire entered. Both had learned solitude before companionship tempted them. That is why their meeting felt holy, not intoxicating, anchoring. Ezekiel was a man governed by clarity. He did not chase affirmation. He chased alignment. Hannah was a woman refined by waiting. She had learned that attention is cheap, but direction is priceless. When they met, nothing in them rushed. And that is the first sign of godly love. It does not hurry to possess. It pauses to discern. In the beginning, their relationship did what all divinely permitted unions are meant to do. It magnified purpose. Ezekiel's prayer life sharpened. Hannah's vision expanded. They challenged one another without competition. They affirmed one another without dependency. They did not need to be together. They chose to be. And choice, not need, is where love remains pure. But there is a truth few are taught. Alignment is not static. It must be maintained, and maintenance requires courage. Because the same relationship that strengthens purpose in one season can begin to replace it in another. Derailment never announces itself with destruction. It announces itself with relief. Life grew heavy. The world grew loud. And being together became easier than being obedient. Ezekiel began to soften his convictions, not because they were wrong, but because resistance felt exhausting. Hannah began to quiet her inner voice, not because it lied, but because conflict threatened connection. Neither noticed the trade. That is the danger of love without vigilance. You don't abandon God. You simply stop listening as closely. Their prayers became shorter. Their conversations became safer. They protected the relationship from discomfort, instead of protecting purpose from erosion. And God, who had once felt near, grew quiet, not distant, not offended, quiet. The way wisdom becomes quiet when ignored. Hannah sensed it first. She felt sorrow without sin, grief without betrayal. She would sit beside Ezekiel and feel alone, not because he failed her, but because something eternal was being delayed.